Prepare to embark on a journey that will defy your understanding of the cosmos. NASA, the forefront of astronomical exploration, has stumbled upon a revelation that has left even the most seasoned astronomers in awe. A discovery so enigmatic, so unprecedented, that it has rewritten the very narrative of space exploration. In a universe teeming with mysteries, NASA has unveiled a new enigma, a mysterious, never-before-seen object lurking in the depths of space. Join us as we unravel the shroud of the unknown and delve into the astonishing realm of the cosmos, where the unimaginable becomes reality and the boundaries of human knowledge are pushed to their limits. Researchers have uncovered an uncharted region in the universe, housing cosmic bursts, and have successfully observed these phenomena. Additionally, this discovery is likely to offer insights into an unexpected origin that was previously unknown. Since their initial detection in 2007, astronomers have been striving to unravel the mysteries surrounding rapid radio bursts. The difficulties stem from their distant origins in the universe, making it challenging to pinpoint their causes. However, this all changed in the late 2020s, when researchers identified brief radio bursts originating from within our Milky Way galaxy. Before this breakthrough, everything seemed unchanged. Radio bursts. Astronomers have now located these brief radio bursts much closer to Earth than previously believed, marking a groundbreaking discovery. These radio flashes, which can be somewhat unpredictable, generate momentary and immense bursts of energy. About 1 million of these flashes occur every second, each carrying energy equivalent to a day's worth of sunlight. The year 2007 marked the first observation of fast radio bursts, and since then, these phenomena have been spotted in various places, including other galaxies. Nevertheless, only a select few have been studied in depth. Unknown signals. In 2020, Wang's research team identified unknown signals, aided by the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, ASKAP. ASKAP, active in 2020 and 2021, aimed to explore new and unusual celestial objects. One such discovery, referred to as ASKAP-J173608.2 to 321,635, was a remarkable find located at the center of the Milky Way. This object exhibited a unique behavior, transitioning from invisibility to brightness and then to disappearance before reappearing, a feat requiring a network of 12 radio telescopes within the European VLDI network, EVN. This network allowed the tracking of these recurrent bursts, occurring over 12 million light-years away, a groundbreaking revelation considering its proximity. Moreover, the researchers were surprised to witness brief radio bursts in this vicinity. Within this interstellar space lies a globular cluster, an assembly of ancient stars. This discovery of a short radio burst within a globular cluster left astronomers astounded. Franz Christen, a researcher, described this finding as astonishing. These distant galaxies containing fast radio bursts indicate the presence of much younger stars. The cause of these sudden surges in electromagnetic activity remains a mystery. The possibility arises that the bursts may be attributed to an anticipated yet unseen entity. Magnetars, rare neutron stars resulting from the collapse of massive stars, have been speculated as the source of short radio bursts since their discovery. However, there is a chance that an exceptionally uncommon magnetar could be responsible for the radio bursts. In star clusters, binary stars can form when stars come together closely, allowing one to draw material from the other. This can lead to a white dwarf star transforming into a neutron star, given sufficient material intake. Though this phenomenon is rare, it serves as the swiftest approach to generating fast radio bursts within a cluster of old stars, according to researcher Mohit Bhardwaj's findings. M81. Although the research contributes to an advancement in our understanding of fast radio flashes, it also leads to the emergence of new questions. The scientists were taken aback by the fact that some of the recorded flashes were far shorter than they had anticipated. According to the researcher Kenzie Nemo, some flashes changed in brightness with only several tens of nanoseconds. To explain where they came from, you need a space that's only a little bit bigger than a soccer field, and the breadth probably shouldn't be more than a few tens of meters. There is still a significant amount of work to be done to comprehend these unique and peculiar occurrences. Future observations must reveal if the source of Messier 81, often known as NAE1, is an unusual magnetar or something else, such as an unusual pulsar or a black hole that is circling a big star in a close orbit. It concludes that these brief radio flashes appear to give us new and unexpected insights into the life and death of stars. We might learn more about the life cycle of stars if we studied them in the same way as supernovas. The discovery of these radio signals in the year 2020 was quite exciting, but the search for their origin was difficult. ASCAPJ 1736. The case of ASCAPJ 1736 has not been solved to this day since no one has been able to find it. According to Wang, the most peculiar characteristic of the new signal is its high degree of polarization. The fact that its light only goes in one direction, even though it spins over time, demonstrates that its light only rotates in one direction. The brightness of the item shifts by a factor of up to 100, and the signal sometimes arrives and departs for no discernible reason. Nothing even like similar has ever taken place in the past. The radio bursts cannot be explained by any of the concepts that astronomers have proposed as possible explanations for them. To begin, we considered pulsars and huge solar flares as potential explanations for the unexplained occurrence. We would predict that a heavenly object of this kind would release a unique collection of signals. This is how the story continues on and on. In the year 2020, researchers collaborating with ASCAP made the groundbreaking discovery of the mysterious radio signal for the first time, finding it 6 times over 9 months. The efforts made to locate its origin in visible light came up empty. Both the Parkes radio telescope and the following studies were unsuccessful in their attempts to determine the origin of the waves. This was then followed by an experiment that was carried out in South Africa, utilizing the Milky Way radio telescope, which is far more sensitive than its predecessor. Since the signal only appeared sometimes and the telescope was unable to conduct a constant search for it, it was decided that each week there would be a glimpse of the core of our Milky Way for 15 minutes. The reason for this, according to Dr. L., a scientist and an authority on the topic, is the hope that we would detect the signal again. The researchers too had a stroke of good luck. Restored signals. The signal has been restored, according to Murphy. This, however, did not answer the puzzle that was being asked. The circumstance had become significantly worse over time. In contrast to the conclusions obtained through ASCAP in the past, this time the source was only detectable for around 1 day before it vanished entirely. Despite this, it is not much easier to comprehend the nature of the object is. The evidence we have does reveal some similarities with another class of weird entities known as GCRs. Scientist David Kaplan says GCRs radio waves are also occasionally released by these things whose identities have not been determined. Our new object, ASCAPJ 173608.2 to 321,635, shares certain features with GCRs, but it also has its properties that are unique to it. The fact that we do not yet have a full comprehension of these sources contributes to the mystique. Thus, everything adds up to the same thing. In the not-too-distant future, researchers will be keeping a careful eye on ASCAPJ 173608.2 to 321,635 to figure out what's going on with it and solve the mystery. Alternatively, the Square Kilometer Array, SKA, is a massive radio telescope that will be constructed in the next few years in Australia and South Africa to examine the origins of radio emissions. According to Murphy, it is anticipated that with the aid of the SKA, maps of the universe will be made every day, and this telescope will assist humankind in finding answers to mysteries such as ours. On the other hand, astronomers are not going to sit back and take credit for their accomplishments. After that, it is anticipated that the observations made with the Square Kilometer Array will throw light on several riddles that were not previously known. If you've enjoyed insights in this video, we greatly appreciate your support. Be sure to show your appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button and joining our community of engaged viewers. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be in the front row for all our upcoming content, ensuring you never miss a moment of the exciting discoveries and discussions that lie ahead.